Unleash the power of inspiration with AI-generated motivational videos from Pictory, transforming your text into captivating visual stories in minutes. First, head over to Pictory.ai and either sign into your account or start a free trial. This is where the magic begins. Once you're in, you'll want to select the option that best suits your needs, typically article to video or script to video. Now, it's time to input your motivational message. You can paste a pre-written script, an article, or simply type out your inspiring words directly into this field. Think about the core message you want to convey, whether it's about overcoming obstacles, achieving goals, or maintaining a positive outlook. Pictory.ai will help bring it to life. With your text ready, simply hit the Generate Video button. Pictory's advanced AI will now get to work analyzing your script. It intelligently scans its vast library of high-quality stock footage and images, selecting visuals that best represent the emotions and themes of your text. Within moments, you'll have a draft of your motivational video. Pictory automatically pairs your text with fitting visuals and adds text overlays, making it instantly engaging. Don't stop here. This is your chance to personalize. Browse through alternative video clips, select background music that sets the emotional tone, and even choose a voiceover style if desired. Experiment with different visual styles and audio tracks to perfectly match the mood and impact you're aiming for. You can swap out any scene, refine the text timing, or add your brand's logo. Preview your creation to ensure it flows seamlessly and delivers your message powerfully. Once you're happy with the result, it's time to export. Choose your preferred resolution and format, then click download. Your AI-generated motivational video is now ready to be shared across your social media platforms, in marketing campaigns, or for personal inspiration. With Pictory, creating impactful, AI-powered motivational videos has never been easier, saving you time and unlocking your content creation potential.